morning, Marvel.
Good morning, everyone.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
So, are you ready to rock the day?
Of course I am. I always am.
Okay.
But the rock.
Alright. Have a good day. Yo, what's up Bali? How you guys doing? Apa kabar? And selamat pagi. Rahajang semua. Yes, I just dropped off my son Marvel to his school, and now I'm heading to my resort in Ubud. Anyway, in this video, I'm gonna talk about how foreigners to open up business in Bali. Watch this video until the end. My name is Okibisa. I'm your host for Bali. Welcome to What's Up Bali channel, the #1 channel for you to know how to travel to Bali, Bali travel regulation, and condition in Bali now. If you're interested on those, consider to subscribe. Guys, lately I received quite a lot of email asking how foreigners open up business in Bali. Most of the question normally is about the regulation. The regulation about how foreigners open business in Bali. So I thought instead of I reply the email one by one, I just want to make a video of it. So video about what is the regulation, what needs to be prepared, what kind of business can and cannot open in Bali as a foreigner. So without any further ado, let's get on to it. First, I'm going to talk about how foreigners can open up business in Bali. Guys, be able to open up business in Bali for foreigners, you need to have investor kitas. Kitas, yes, kitas is temporary staying permit in Indonesia. Kitas. We got retirement kitas for those who want to retire in Bali. We got working kitas for those who want to work in Bali. I mean as an employee, not employer. We got spouse kitas for those who married with Indonesian. And we got investor kitas for those who want to open up business in Indonesia or in Bali in this case. Oh, it's too bright behind me. Let's move to other place. So now, how to get the investor kitas? And how much? Based of the latest regulation, there's two ways to get the investor kitas. By applying offshore, that means from your country or from out of Indonesia, and by applying onshore, that means while you are in Indonesia. So what is the difference? Well, each of them have their own pros and cons. But before I continue, please note that the how and everything in this video is what or how I do it. So other agents, maybe they have their own how and price. Okay, now number one, apply offshore investor kitas. So before you leave your country, you apply the kitas. So that means you already sure what type of business that you want to do in Bali. Who will be in that company? You have a partner or not? The location of your business, or at least the office of your business, because we need the address for the e-kitas. So send those information to me and we're gonna prepare your e-kitas. Remember, e-kitas, not e-visa. Of course, together with the photo of your passport and vaccine certificate, minimum 2 doses. And then I do your e-kitas. But before I'm able to make your e-kitas, first we're gonna set up your PMA. What is PMA? PMA is short of Perusahaan Modal Asing. That means in English is Foreign Investment Company. When the PMA is done, then we can process your e-kitas. So then you will fly to Bali with the e-kitas. The total process from the making of the PMA all the way to the e-kitas is about 1 month. And the document that I need to make the e-kitas is 1. Passport must valid at least 32 months. I repeat, 32 months. 2. Vaccine certificate, at least 2 doses. And 3. The foreign investment legal body, the company, the PMA. So as I said earlier, you have to be sure first what type of your business, what is your business in Bali later on, the location of your business, at least the office, and do you need a partner or not. And then when the PMA is done, we're gonna process the e-kitas and then we're gonna send it to you through email. And then you can come to Indonesia using the e-kitas. Then when you arrive in Bali, we can convert your e-kitas to the investor kitas. Normally the process takes like 2 months or nearly 3 months. Then you can open up your bank account for your business in Bali. Okay, how about the payment? 50% in the beginning and 50% when your KITAS is done. So as I said earlier, let me sum up for you. The total process from the PMA to the e-KITAS so you can come to Bali is about 1 month. Then when you arrive, you're gonna convert your e-KITAS to the KITAS, to the investor KITAS. This is gonna take about 2 to 3 months. And the price of this offshore KITAS is about 1,800 US dollars, and you can stay for 2 years, multiple entry. Okay, do you have to pay the 1,800 US dollars all in the beginning? No worries. You only need to pay 50% of it, so like 900 US dollars, so we can start the PMA and then the e-KITAS. When you arrive in Bali and your e-KITAS is already converted to investor KITAS, so within 2-3 months, then you pay the rest. You pay the other 900 US dollars. So you pay the rest when your KITAS is done, your PMA is done, when everything is done. Great, right? Oh, before I forgot, this regulation is for all country. There's no difference between you already can get the visa on arrival or you're not yet or whatever. This is for all countries. It's all the same. Okay, now next, apply onshore investor KITAS. So onshore, you already in Bali. This system is suitable for you who's not sure yet, you know, what you're gonna open, you know, you wanna see the condition first, or you wanna find a local partner, or you wanna find a location first, etc. For that situation, better you come to Bali first. With what? You can come with the visa on arrival, or you can come with the B211A visa. So what is different? If you come with the B211A visa, later when you're sure what type of business you want to do, you can apply the investor KITAS without have to go out from Indonesia. So from B211 visa, you can apply straight away to the investor KITAS. But if you come with the visa on arrival, no worries, it also can be done. But then when you're sure what type of business you want to do, you have to go out from Indonesia first, let's say for a couple of days, and then come back with the e-KITAS that we already prepared. Good, right? So for you who don't want to go out from Indonesia again, just come with the B211 visa, and then from that, when you're sure, then we apply the investor KITAS from your B211 visa. But for you who's not sure yet, you can come first with the visa on arrival. Then when you're sure, you just have to go out from Indonesia, let's say for a couple days, and come back with the e-KITAS that I already prepared for you guys. Okay, what about the price? Is it the same? Nope, it's different. If it's offshore, so if you are still in your country or you go out for a couple of days from Indonesia, as I said earlier, it's only 1,800 US dollars for 2 years, multiple entry. But for those who come with the B211 visa and don't want to go out from Indonesia anymore, so from B211 visa, you're gonna straight apply the investor KITAS. It's gonna cost you 2,100 US dollars. And this price is already include the company. It's already include the PMA. It's already include the foreign investor company and the KITAS. Okay? So this price is not only for the KITAS, but also the KITAS and the company, the legal body. Guys, I need to go to Denpasar. I'm gonna continue later on. Alright? Hi guys, yes, I'm already in the car now, heading to Denpasar, pick up my son from school. Anyway, now the question, okay, do I need a local partner? Well, actually by the regulation, you don't need a local partner, not at all. So 100% can be owned by you. But in the reality, I'm not saying in the reality, but let's say when you're running your business restaurant, when you're in touch with local supplier, workers, authorities, etc. It's better if you have a local partner. Trust me. Well, I'm gonna continue when I arrive in Denpasar. This is kind of dangerous, you know, because I'm not really focused. So, see you in Denpasar. Yes, I arrived in my home. I already picked up my son, and now we're gonna continue our conversation. Where were we? A lot of people think that having a local partner is just a waste of money. It is true. If you only treat them as a staff, just wait in your store, wait in a restaurant, wait in your cafe, go buy you something or something like that. That is a waste. You're afraid you got scammed. You're afraid that you already put a lot of money to open up your business. But what commonly happens is later on you're frustrated because your business is not going well and you don't have anybody to discuss. You don't have anybody who knows the condition, who knows Bali to discuss. How to do this, how to do that, how to do this. Is allowed to do this, is allowed to do that, etc. Then it's wasting money. But if you're really getting a local partner, not a local staff, a real local business partner who also have a sense of entrepreneurship, who knows to penetrate the market, who knows to attack the market, your local partner is your partner. You can discuss your business with him. They can help running your business faster, promoting the business if good in social media, increasing sales, and yet still taking care your local problem, your local supplier, your local the authorities. And somehow you need to go back to your country, let's say for Christmas, 1 month, 2 months. It won't affect your business. Your business still running well because you have a partner to handle it. Business as usual, money keep running in. Partners no need to be there every time physically. Partner is not a staff. Just look at me for example. I have a small resort up in Ubud, like 4 villas and 3 apartments. And also have a visa agency down in Denpasar. Am I gonna stop? No, I'm gonna get more. And it doesn't mean I have to be there physically, right? How can I be there physically in 2 different businesses, in 2 different cities? And I'm not saying I'm gonna stop in these 2. I'm gonna get more. If it's possible, 1 business per year. How come? Well, what you need is establish the system. When your business system established, you can have 1, 2, 5, 10, even more. So don't think that you wanna fly to Bali and just open up a small cafe. Think more, think big, because the PMA that you have, your foreign investment company that you have, that I made, is allow you to have multiple businesses. So use it. You already fly over here to Bali. If you want to know more details, just send me email. I also mentioned down in the description.